We just gotta stay inside. Ay, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ay, yeah, yeah. Baby, I'm still like Corona. Fuck it, I might become an organ donor. I wanna get a new whip, think I need me a loaner. Pray that I make it, I wanna feel older. C19 hitting people like a boulder. Praying for my people, yeah, they gotta stay sober. Times like this, man, it's hard to stay sober. Waiting on my time, so I gotta grow older. Hold up, you watching TV, but baby, my life is 3D. I know you see me working every day, cause this life is essential. This shit is putting some stress on my mental. Can't even get an appointment to check on my dental. Lord, forgive me, but imagine if I needed a rental. In a time like this, I can't. I can imagine, man, look at this damage. World in a bad place, but it barely hitting people yet, man, it's got me upset, yeah. Stay inside, it's okay to hide. We gotta protect our health, yeah, remember our wealth, yeah. And I can't stress it enough, ayy. Baby, it's up, ayy. Yeah, 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 ayy. Let's get it, ayy. Yeah, yeah.
Yo, what's going on, guys? We out here filming another video for you. Gonna do something a little different. I'm gonna tell you guys 5 things that I hate about my 2016 STI. So I got my boy Jerome over here taking some flicks. He's gonna help me out recording, and I'm gonna pretty much tell you guys 5 things that I dislike about this car. It's not easy to make, so don't give me any crap about it. I had to be nitpicky to really figure this stuff out, but I'm gonna post this video for you guys first, and then next week I will post 5 things that I love about my STI. So let's just get right into it. Alright guys, so I had to go into the car because it's a little cold, but I'm gonna start off in the interior. So number 1 thing that I don't like about my 2016 STI, these speakers in this car, man, no bueno. You try and bump music, you're just listening to just nothing good. It's all crappy, staticky, nothing you want to hear. You definitely, one thing I suggest is you gotta upgrade your door speakers and your rear speakers, because they just rattle and the music does not sound right. Alright guys, number 2 thing that I do not like about my 2016 STI, the clear coats on these cars, trash. I've had this car since about June, and I've probably picked up about a good 6 chips in my paint. You guys obviously are not going to be able to see, but I got chips everywhere on this thing. All over the hood, all over the front bumper. They did not do a good clear coat on these cars, I'll tell you that much. If you do get an STI or a WRX, their paint is a big flaw in the factories. Alright guys, the 3rd thing I hate about my STI, the EJ, man. These motors have been around for how long, man? Probably like 20 plus years, and they still got their flaws. So I gotta say, as much as I love it, I hate it, man. Ringland failure, these things are known for, they got a lot of issues, and just recently, in the newer models, they just started fixing it. So my 3rd thing I hate about the STI is the EJ. Guys, the 4th thing I hate about my 2016 STI, these EJs, man, not only are the motors, they got their flaws, but any mod you want to do to these cars, you have to get it tuned. You want to do intake, gotta get your car tuned. You want to do some injectors, you gotta get your car tuned. Everything you do, if you change your oil, you gotta get this car tuned. Alright guys, the 5th and final thing I hate about my 2016 STI is the rattling that this car makes. They did not do enough sound deadening stuff in this car. All the time driving around, cold starts, normal, just idling when your car's warmed up. This thing likes to rattle everywhere. In the back, by the glass, all the front panels, everything. It just, the rattling has gotta go. That is my fifth and final thing that I hate about my STI. Alright, that's it. That's 5 things I hate about my 2016 STI. So, that's going to be into this. Like I did tell you guys in the beginning, the next video I do post is going to be 5 things that I love about my STI. So, definitely look forward to that. That's going to be a lot easier to make. But, I do want to tell you guys something. So, I'm going to do a giveaway for you guys. So, when we hit 100 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a $50 detailing kit giveaway. So the rules for this giveaway is you're obviously going to have to subscribe. You're going to have to like the video. You're going to have to head over to my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. Like my most recent post. And then come back to the YouTube video and leave something in the comments. You could leave something as easy as done. You could just leave an emoji. Or you could leave something funny for me. But those are going to be the rules. So like I said, at 100 subscribers, I'm going to pick a winner. And you're going to win a $50 detailing kit for your car, your truck, wherever you want to detail. Alright? So with that being said, I'm going to close out the video for you guys. Please like, subscribe, leave in the comments what you guys want to see in the videos. And turn on the post notifications so you guys know when I am going to be posting my videos. It's not that difficult. Come on, I know you guys want to see me more. Alright, so I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!